Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Courtney Charvone, also known as CoCo. Okay, today is Friday. Friday, March the 24th, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Don't give me the line. So, today what I am doing is I have a couple things that I have going on, or a few things I have going on for the weekend. Did I put a T on it? Weekend. Anywho, that's the morning I'm having. I just been out of it. So anywho, I am getting ready to head out. I want to come on and bring in the video, introduce the video, what I have planned for the weekend and what you will possibly, depending on energy, depending on vibes, see in this video is I have a nail appointment that I'm on my way to. I am gonna wash my car. You probably won't see that. I have a food truck festival going on here in my city that I will be going to. I'm gonna be cooking later on this salmon bowl because it's Friday and it's Lent and it's no meat on Fridays. So I'm gonna be doing that. And it was something else that grew. I cannot remember. Yeah. So I have decided that I want to be a plant mom. So let me say this. When I lived in San Antonio, I used to live in San Antonio for a cool little minute. And when I lived in San Antonio, I bought plants. And honey, bought plants for all the wrong reasons. Bought plants for if they were cute. Didn't look them up. Horrible plant mom. Did not look up, research how to take care of them. Kind of read a little card that went with them and really didn't know anything about them. Got them literally because they were cute. And of course, when you don't know how to properly care for specific plants, they tend to, not last, and it's your fault. So it's my fault. So for a long time, I just used to go under the mindset, I don't have a green thumb. You know what I'm saying? But reality of it is I was not researching how to care for the plants. Well, I have taken it upon myself to start researching, and I want to go and find a couple plants that I feel will be beneficial to my home and the space, and that I can care for because I've researched how to care for them. Okay, so that's gonna also be in this video. I'm really looking forward to that. I have done the research. I need to start looking for good nurseries or places where I can get the plants from that are close. I may end up having to drive, and that's fine. So yeah, that's what's going on. I just wanted to come on for that. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Now this shirt, I don't remember where I got this shirt, but let me fix myself under this before. But this little legging sports bra suits thing, this is from my Amazon favorites. I was talking about this little legging set, and you see, baby, it'll cinch right on up, won't it? Okay, it'll cinch right on up. I don't need to show this right here. I'm working on it. Mind your business. But this little set right here, and I just have this top over it because I really don't. I ain't in a mood to be like, tugging and pulling and feeling away. So I'm not gonna do that. But this is the set I'm wearing. I have on also the rings from that Amazon favorites this necklace. This Courtney necklace. I got that from Amazon. I got these earrings from Amazon. Listen, I don't play about my damn Amazon. My watch, this watch here is from my watch company, Just Sweet Watches. And yeah, it's the zebra wood with the black accents. But yeah, Just Sweet Watches. And this is the collaboration line I have, because this bracelet here, I teamed up with Jewelry on the Rocks Nola to do a set with the wood bracelet and onyx. That's the stone here. And onyx is good for just warding off like negative energy and things like that. And we love some protection. So I'm gonna link my website below for this. And yeah, I just got on some leopard Crocs because leopard, cheetah, and there's Sasha. Of course, right on time. She's on time. So, yeah, so that's what I have going on today. Oh, this hat is from, I forgot the brand. I want to say it's Black owned, but love her. I got this years and years and years ago. I don't even know how many years ago. It has to be over like 8-9 years ago that I got this hat. If it is still like in stock or the website is up, I gotta get that website information from my cousin, because I want to say it's one of her peers that own the company. So if I can find that website, I'll put it down below. But yeah, such a cute little hat. And yeah, I just, you know, put my hair in a ponytail. It's still straight. But, anywho, we're going to get into it. This is a long-ass intro, 7 minutes long. My God. But we're going to get into it. And, yeah, thank you for tuning in and watching. And I hope you enjoy this weekend vlog. Yay. What you barking at, girl? It is Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. It's pretty outside. I'm in the car because we are here at the food truck festival I was telling y'all about yesterday. I didn't come back on the camera. After I got my nails done, there was a failed attempt at going to the plant nursery, like I was telling y'all. But don't you worry, we're going today after the food truck festival. So we're gonna get out here. I'm gonna try to get some content for y'all and just show you what all is out here. It's a lot of cars, it's a lot of people. So I'm gonna try to have this social meter stay as high as it can. But once depleted, we know it's time to go. So yeah, let's go check it out. Oh, they got dogs out here. I don't know how I feel about that. It don't matter. Okay, let's go see. Okay, we've left the food truck festival, and now, ooh, it's dark. That lighting was not what I needed to be. Here, we're going into better lighting. But so we're at the plant nursery. Oh, there's the whatchamacallits over here. And we're gonna find some plants, and I'm gonna let y'all see. Oh, this is better. I'm gonna let y'all see what I get. I hope I don't run into any lizards. That would be a shame, but yeah, here we go, folks. I just had to run for my life. It was two lizards that tried to take me out. Let me see if I can get them. Because, listen, I didn't do nothing to them, and now they gone. Girl, oh, there go one. Girl, they just didn't disappear into the night. I don't know what to do. I'm not built for this. I want plants, but I can't handle the reptiles that come with it. Like, what am I supposed to do? I found one I like. Now I'm looking for my last one, and then we getting the hell up out of here because I can't handle it, period. Okay, I'll let y'all know how it goes. Hey y'all, so I am back home, and we went to the food truck festival to tell you about that. So you saw the footage of the different food trucks that they had out there, the food. We ended up getting oxtail, curry cabbage, macaroni and cheese, which neither one of us ate because we don't eat gluten or dairy. But we also got jerk chicken, and we got beef yakka mein. Now, the beef yakka mein, if I'm to rate it, I'm gonna give it, I would recommend, I keep saying recommend, y'all. That's not the word. I would rate it. So here's my thing. I've never had it before. My first time having it was today. So I really have nothing to compare it to. So until I have further information, I'm gonna wait on rating it. I know that I have looked up recipes. I know what I normally see goes in it. Did it have the flavor that I expected it to have? No. To me, it could have been more flavorful, and I'm used to seeing it with like shrimp and things like that in it, and it did not have that, but it did specify on the menu beef yakka mein. So you don't have to expect shrimp because it clarified beef. So that, that's my thought on that. The oxtails were okay. I'll give them an 8 out of 10. I've had oxtails before, and those oxtails that we had the last time we had them were delicious, spectacular. So these I give an 8 out of 10. The peas and rice was peas and rice, so they were good. And the cabbage, I would give, I don't know, 7 out of 10 if I was to rate it anything. It wasn't bad food. It's not like I was sit here and call it bad food. It just, yeah, those are my ratings. That's what I would say. But the support was there. It was awesome. We also supported, as you saw in the clip before, this candle company that's Black owned, and it's called Organically Wicked. That's cute. That's candle wicks. Packaging, baby. You better see that paper. come with a logo. So we got this leather and lace car room and linen spray. But the packaging is really nice, but this is a room spray. Then I got this candle. And it is called Boss Babe. The notes are black orchid, cashmere, and vetiver. Yeah, it smells good. It smells really good. So yeah, that's that one, Boss Babe. And finally, we got this candle. I like the jar on this candle. This is not the best angle, and I'm aware, but that's what we're going with right now because life. Okay, so this one is called Pillow Talk, and it has the notes are woodsy vanilla, lavender, smoke, and spice. Pillow Talk. Oh, y'all, I put the wick up to the thing like y'all can smell it. And you cannot, but that's that jar. So that's everything that we got from the food truck festival. The last stop, as you see, was to the garden nursery. That garden nursery was it was a delight. It was hot outside. I think if it was cooler, it would have been such a vibe. But don't get me wrong, it was really nice out there. They had so many different selections. I'm glad we waited because initially, yesterday we were gonna go, and when it was closed, we were gonna end up going to Lowe's. And I'm glad we waited. I'm glad we waited and went where we went because they had, of course, plants and flowers that I know would not have been at Lowe's. So I'm gonna show you what we got, and then yeah. So the first plant that we got is lavender, and this is super easy to take care of. It has an amazing smell, but I got 2 of these. And then I'm going to repot them and put them in this. It came with the stand, this pot with the stand. They taped it together. I'll take the tape off, but this is gonna go in my bedroom. So yeah, with these, and I got some extra soil just in case. They sold soil, and so I got some extra soil just in case. Now, the last plant that I got, hold a fountain, baby. She's cute. The last plant is that you see the leaves, the heart-shaped leaves, and it's black. It's called the colocasia. I think it's colocasia, but it's black ripple. You better know. This baby is gorgeous. She's gorgeous. So black ripple. We're gonna name them. I'll let you know the names when we decide on a name. But this one is gonna be repotted. Yeah. This planter, and it's just this gray. I love the texture on it, but this gray, charcoal gray, and it goes well with the living room and the space. But yeah, we're gonna repot it, and not repot it, but place it in this. But yeah, so a good day. My cousin called me and told me about a street fair that's also going on at this time, but it's a 2-day street fair. It's tomorrow as well, so we might go to that tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll plan on cooking. It's been a hot day. It's been a sweaty day. I am tired. So for the rest of the night, we're really just gonna relax, watch a movie, not do much of anything, and I will check back in with y'all tomorrow.